Hello again, everybody. My name is John with WM Cutlery, and I have a brand new knife that I want to share today. And it is a design of one of my own designs. And put the case out of the way here. And it is a mini bird and trout fixed blade with orange G10 handles. This is 1095 and 15N20 Damascus. Okay, and I'll share a little information about this knife here in a second. This knife comes with a spec sheet. This knife is number 002 of 2 that I've made of this design. And this spec sheet has all the information written in it about the knife, the length, the weight, the blade, the cutting edge length, the handle length, thickness of the handle, etc. Excuse me. This knife also has a cut test sheet of what I tested it on. Excuse me, all of a sudden every time I do a video I have the hiccups. This knife also comes with a lifetime warranty. Okay, I back all of my knives up, and that's the paperwork end of it. You'll get some little goodies, WMC, Working Man's Cutlery, leather dog tag, Don't Tread on Me Viper, WMC lanyard for the knife. If you want to put this lanyard on it or whatever you want to put on it, you'll get that. WM Cutlery sticker. And those are the goodies you get with this knife. This knife is, hold on a second. I'm having a little bit of an issue thinking this out. Okay. This knife is $78 with the leather belt sheath. I will need to know if you're right-handed or left-handed if you're interested, so I can make the sheath accordingly to how you carry it. The knife by itself, with the lifetime warranty, all the stuff, and the padded zipper case is $60, no sheath. But if you want the sheath, it's an extra $18. Again, this is a very well-made little knife, but it's also a very difficult little knife to produce because of its size. Smaller knives seem to be harder to work with than larger knives. And it's a bird and trout mini. And there'll be a link in the description below on how you can get this knife if you're interested. And my name is John from WM Cutlery, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.